Hey lovelies, welcome back to another vlog. So today it is a pack with me vlog. We're getting all our bits ready to go traveling. Comment down below, take a pause, comment down below, let me know where you think we're going. So this is my suitcase. I just packed a couple of heels, trainers of course, and then I divided my outfits up into trousers, tops, jeans, and then some dresses. These are my essential perfumes. I only carried three with me: my Dior, Versace, and YSL. Then on this side I had a Mirage stuff. I divided hers into rompers, tops, trousers and dresses. And then here is just some snippets of what I take in my hand luggage. I always make sure I bring extra clothes just in case, you know, a luggage gets left behind somewhere or stolen, who knows. So I have just some bits, shorts, trousers, jacket in case I get cold on the flight, mid-flight, and then also to put my laptop in there and just a hoodie for travel. Then I move on to my skincare, what I carried with me. So I tend to go for travel size bits just because when I'm on the move it is easier and I don't have to worry about it. I just bought my serum, of course, a sun cream, a cleanser, vitamin, face booster. That's my cleanser there, moisturizer, and then like a night mask. And then this is a Mirage's hand luggage for her as well. I always make sure to pack extra outfits, that just because with a toddler anything can happen, so I just wanted to make sure I had a variety of bits in her hand luggage, as well as pajamas, again in case for whatever reason the luggage went missing. Of course, a denim jacket, and then I just secured that. And in the top bit of her suitcase I put our jewelry kit, as well as some shoes as well for her. I believe I put her Crocs in there. So as you guys already know, when I travel with Amira J, she's 4 years old, so I want to keep her entertained on the airplane. TV doesn't do it, even though they do have that. She loves writing, so I got this little eraser book on Amazon, so she can draw with it and then rub it out with those little handy wipes and do it all again if she wishes. I also carried our learning book, so she could do activities, and then her headphones to plug into the TV on the airplane as well, and of course her blankie. And it's a good thing I carried these blankies actually, because as you guys, if you've seen my previous travel vlog, I do not like the generic blankets that they give us on the airplane, so I always pack that for the little one. Alright, so we're ready. Just got some Converses on, this cute little set. I'm sweating. Suitcase was overweight. There's my little one. Come show your outfit. Come here. Hey. Ooh.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Okay, so check-in was pretty good. It was just a bit of a faff with security and everything, but once we were through it was pretty easy. There's just a mirror waiting for us to go. We got some food from, I believe it's called Shake Shack, and Mira got some chicken bites. I got an egg sandwich, and we both got fries. The fries were really good actually. And then we sat by somewhere where we could see all the people. We love people watching, so we kind of watched that. Also got her a magazine. I always tend to get something that keeps her busy and entertained during the flight as well as before. Our wait was about about a 2 hour wait. The whole check-in process took about, I would say, an hour in the queue and everything, and then we had a wait time of about 2 hours. So after we had food, we went and did some window shopping for a bit, and then just kind of sat and chill. She did her magazine, I did some reels and TikToky bits, and then it was time to board the flight.
Easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times.
So we still have to wear masks on this airline. Five for £5. Fuming. £3. Fuming.
What about me?
You told them.
£100.
Good afternoon, welcome to Air Transat Flight TS123 to Toronto. We'd like to remind you that your carry-on...
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
You want to see Simon Dave? It's so excited to see the plane. It's so big. It's like the plane is so big. And I eaten some biscuits because this is my this one's love heart. I love heart. I'm gonna have a pizza, a sandwich pizza. It's a nice view, and I'm almost there. I'm gonna land in 4 hours. That's because I can watch this one like feels like I don't want that one. So it looks like a maze. We have to walk through it, walk. Do you like it? Yeah, it's good. All off. Not even one left. Tears. It's yummy my tongue. Oh no.
Right, so guys, the landing process was such a mish. There was like a rainstorm and there was lots of turbulence. I'm just so happy we got on the ground. Mira slept for about a total of about, I would say, 3 to 4 hours, which wasn't bad. The total flight took a total of 8 hours.